Okay, I think I have a payphone dead ahead. I spotted this one on Cyclomedia, which is the unsung competitor to Google Streeview, for New York City at least, and for a limited amount of surrounding environs. I actually didn't realize this was in Nassau County by just a few blocks, actually. Not that it matters, it's just that I call this collection Payphones of New York City and New Jersey. But I don't think anybody's going to hate me if I slip this one in. I was thinking, from the picture I saw on Cyclomedia, I saw that this was, appeared to be intact. And I was hoping it would have some indication of who formerly owned it. But I don't see any trace. So where is this? This is 240th Street and Jamaica Avenue. Just across the Nassau County line.